Hi everyone, this is Dalise, but you might know me as Stamper Girl, and I am here for Cat Scrappiness. And today I am going to show you how to do a mask and a stencil at the same time to have a fabulous look, and we get a freebie for this. Okay, so first thing first, I already have cut one template, but I want to show you what I did. I am using the double stitch hard die cut from Cat Scrappiness. That's what I did here, and I'm gonna do it again just to show you what we did. I'm gonna put it in a piece of cardstock that has enough space on the sides, okay? So it's very important, and I'm making sure that I don't put too much tape on the inside because we are going to use that, okay? So here's our heart. Here's the mask that we just created. Okay. So we are not going to need that die cut anymore. You can put it away. Then here is where we're going to start. I'm actually going to do this on my silicone mat. So this is our panel that we will be creating, and then the reason I'm doing it on a panel and not directly on the card is in case it's a little bit crooked, then I can trim it to the right size, okay? So I am, and just in case I don't get it in the middle too. So here I'm like putting my piece. Okay. I am gonna put this here. Okay. I want a tiny piece to actually hold my card. Okay, now I'm going to put my stencil on top. Okay, and this stencil has you kind of have to look for where is it that you want the hearts to be, and I kind of like it there. So I am coming right here to cover some of those hearts because I don't want those hearts to be showing. And you know what? This is a trick for you. For your washi tape, if your washi tape is giving you a hard time and it doesn't want to come out, you warm it up a little, and it peels so much easier and tends to rip a lot less. Okay, I'm going to put a little piece to cover that. Let's see what else needs to be covering. And I am going to put this here just to hold it in place. I think we're ready to add some color. Come in with Festive Berries. One of my favorite reds in the Distress family. Okay. 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 Like that. I think that looks good. And I'm gonna pull this. I'm gonna keep. Do not wash this yet, okay? Do not wash it, just put it outside. I'm gonna leave this here, and I'm gonna come very, very softly because I kind of want to define that heart, because if we don't define it, the issue is that, let me use this a little bit, it's hard to tell it's a heart. Okay, So I'm just going to define it a little bit. Leave the center lighter. Okay. That's really good. I think that is perfect. I was just covering this part of my panel. And again, I'm not cleaning up this yet, okay? Okay. Here is my panel. I actually like it a lot. A little bit of a red ink here, so I might trim it. Actually, that looks pretty good. Isn't it gorgeous? Super simple technique. Now let's get to the freebie, because we get a freebie with this technique. And here is your freebie. You are going to bring your spray, your water spray, and you're going to spray this. I'm going to move. Remember, this is the heart that we took out to create the mask, okay? We kept that. And we're going to spray this. And I'm being super generous. Like, this is watery, okay? And I am going to bring it here. Okay? And I am going to pull. And there's your second background. Let me show you that extra heart that you get. Isn't it fun? It's so much fun. Okay. So here we have our layer. I am thinking of bringing Quokka. I love Quokka. What do you guys think? I think he would look adorable. It would look so cute there. It also looks so cute here. So let's get this guy started. And I am going to stamp him into, this is some premium color copy paper. And I am planning coloring him with alcohol markers. And then maybe some color pencils on top. So I put him there. Okay. Okay. And I have used him before. That's why my image is not stamping. It's not staying glued attached to my paper. And I'm using some Vivid acid-free dye ink. That this is safe for alcohol markers. So any ink that is water-based and that you actually cannot, and I say repeat, cannot use for watercolors because it would bleed, that is the perfect ink to use for your alcohol markers, because alcohol just not, it's not going to bleed with something that bleeds with water. Okay, it is really good, but I want to do second touch because I want it super dark. Again, yep, it's all the way to the corner. Let's use some of that to press it. Okay, perfect. Now I'm gonna rotate. Okay. And we are gonna ink again. And I am going to press it. And since I did it twice, I'm going to do it one more time on this one. See how much darker that one is. I want that nice dark lines. really good. And I am going to stamp some sentiment in the heart, but I'm going to wait until after I color it, so I don't dull down the ink, okay? I will color this and most likely put some music, okay? And we'll go a little bit faster than my usual speed, so enjoy. Okay, I use the coordinated die to cut our little Quokka love and the hearts. Here are the little hearts. And now I am ready to stamp a little sentiment. Make sure that this is nice and tight. I'm gonna put as many magnets as I can get. I'm gonna put friends forever. Sweet friend. Oh, I like sweet friend. Another sweet friend. One of the tips when we're using, so they kind of like you're moving it and it sticks to your fingers, so use something with an eraser. Okay, I think that's gonna be cute. So you see how this is pulling everything? That is because this guy has not been seasoned. To season it, just run your fingers through their stamp. That's much better. And this is a fairly small stamp, so make sure that you do not press it too hard. It's a little gentle process, okay? Let me show you. So here is our panel. Here's our Quokka. We can put him in the middle, but kind of lose a little bit of the heart. So I'm thinking of putting him right there. And I think I'm gonna trim this with a stitch rectangle. What do you guys think? Thinking I may add some of these peach hearts here and there. To enjoy more projects and cards like this one, remember to like and subscribe and check out these products that are in the description below. Bye!